Hello there, welcome back to a new video. I'm about Mr. Talented Read, and today's video I have a 2011 Audi A6 radiator fan right here. So I just want to show you how the connections are made. So right here the base come like this right here, guys. So as you can see right here, what I do, I switch the motors from the new base to the original one that goes in the car, because they have some difference about it. So as you can see right here, guys, it's different from this one. Don't come with it. So I use it because I don't want this in the same exact place where it should be. This one, you don't come on it, you don't have anywhere to bolt it. As you can see, there's a lot of difference. So let me show you the connection now, guys. So right here, so this orange wire from the fan come around to the module right here. This is the positive line, what they call live. And right here, this pink one right here, guys, go to the purple. This is neutral, that was called grounds. Over here also, guys, so right here, let me see, hold on. All right, sorry about that, guys. So right here is the grounds. This green wire go to this white one right here, guys. This is the grounds from the module, the control module right here. And the yellow one from the motor also go to this blue one for the fan. So that's why I make the connection, guys. So I use this connector to do the connections. You can see right here, guys, so you can get yours in auto zone. Check it out, guys. Both connectors. Right. Got the gauge right here also, guys. 12 to 10 gauge. And I use this nice sharp wire stripper to strip the wires, guys. Take a good look on it. It's a nice wire stripper. It's Milwaukee. That's it, guys, right there. And I use this knife right here, guys. It's very sharp. I use it to strip some of the insulation from the wire, or the shield cover. Okay, so that's it right there, guys. And what I also do, I check to make sure with a battery right here, guys. So that's a battery I use to check the fan, so it should spin. So the blade should go this way, as you can see the curve, so you can bring the breeze to the condenser on the radiator. That's the radiator right here, guys. All right, and this is the car right here, the Audi. So I have to remove all these pieces, guys. The bumper, the lights, that frame right here. It's a lot of work, guys, to put it down. Some bolts right here. I have to remove also. It's a bit trashy. That's another light, guys. Right. So there we go, guys. Okay, so if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.